And I love that about white people. I love how you respect other animals. Like, I don't like wildlife at all. I hate wildlife. Well, no, I lie. I do love some wildlife, like KFC and Nando's. That's pretty. But I love how white people have respect for food. Like, I'm a Zimbabwean comedian, and I'm currently on a world tour. So the idea is to go to 37 cities around the world. 35 of those cities are in Zimbabwe. But on our tour, pretty much we went to Uganda. We went to this Ethiopian restaurant in Uganda. Long story. But long and short of it, they brought out this brown dish. It was like a curried something, right? And I examined the contents of this beautiful dish, and I noticed there was a chicken thigh and a boiled egg. And I thought, who the fuck cooks a mother and child in the same dish? Like, that's complete disrespect. Do you know what I'm saying? Because, I mean, I wondered, like, what, you know, how does God look down on us? Like, what would happen, like, in the final judgment? Is God going to bring down another species to eat humans? And all of us are going to be judged according to how we treated other animals? Like, I mean, I'm going to die as a streetwise too. Like, I'm pretty sure of that. I mean, what would happen if you're cooking humans? Like, you know, like a cookery program, and the species comes on. It's like, yes, welcome to our program today. We're cooking humans. Please note, when you're cooking humans, there's a couple of things you need to know, because they adversely affect the cooking time. When you're cooking males or females, the cooking time is very different. Please note, when you're cooking women, there's a lot of preparation that's required. You might need to spend a bit of time removing all the weaves and all of the artificial things on these creatures and clean them out, because some of them tend to be a bit toxic and you don't want to cook them, okay? Around the facial area, you might want to clean it a bit. A couple of radioactive substances have been put on there, especially around the eyes and the lips, okay? Please note, when you're cooking women, there's different kinds of textures that you get. Like, the head is a bit firm, a bit like beef, okay? As you start going towards the breast area, it becomes a bit fatty like pork, okay? And for those that like your seafood, down below, okay? It starts to get a little fishy. You can eat it raw. It's self-lubricating. It's okay. Okay? But when you're cooking males, please note that the cooking time can be increased greatly. You might need a 3-legged pot and cook it on an open fire for about 10 days, because some of that meat's a bit tough, okay? Ladies, I know there's certain parts that look edible. Please cut them off, okay? We don't know where they've been, okay? It looks like something you'd want to have for breakfast or throw on the bride stand, but please just cut it off and take it away. And I'm thinking we need to respect food a bit, you know? That kind of thing. And I love what